Okay, we ain't gonna say nothing about that.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
Hey guys, it's another day of Vlogmas and welcome back to my channel. I think it's the afternoon and I am going to go to the hair supply store. I am frequently braiding my girls' hair because that's just what they do. And they like different color braids in the hair and stuff too, so they like to change it up. Today, you guys, I'm giving it a little bit of break. I think for the next couple of days on the Christmas stuff. I've Christmased you guys out for the last 4 days. It'll take me a little time to get to a lot of things in here. Yeah, like, it's gonna take a little time. But I do mine, like I said yesterday on the vlog, I do it in parts. Well, you won't see that. It was yesterday, but it was a long time ago because I vlogged all this before. Yeah, you guys, I pre-vlogged, but I thought I would be able to pre-vlog more. I was only able to pre-vlog just to maybe 4 or 5 videos, but as I'm going each day, I basically am pre-vlogging because right now this video probably won't be up for day 11. So, oh, the kids is cooking some breakfast down there. I smell some breakfast going. Let me go and interrupt them and see what I'm gonna get. Today is not today I'm not gonna do too much of Christmas stuff. Yesterday I was actually doing my coffee bar, and that took so long. First of all, you guys, you're going to see that the coffee bar looked like it took probably that day I was vlogging a lot, so at the most you're probably going to see my coffee bar look like it took 10 minutes or whatever, or a little bit over. But really it took me a long time all day because I didn't get out all the stuff. I kept forgetting to get a huge thing of hot cocoa, and then once I wanted to put some cute little decorations, I forgot about preparing that. And I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited about my coffee, my hot cocoa and coffee bar feature. That is just if you guys want to do a nice good touch of something in the kitchen, oh my God, that is just so good to do. Pretty much my hot cocoa is like a treat. It's like a dessert. It's not your average hot cocoa. Boring, put a little marshmallow in there on top of no. We doing everything, okay? We're doing all of it. So yeah, let me get to going, you guys. This is called red. I don't know if I can go that short. Hold on. My face too round. Is this a bang bang? Oh, this one is kind of cute, huh? Like a mom wig. I need a mom wig. They got Shine and Jam. The same thing that we was using. Y'all saw that I had the Magic Fingers, what was it called? Like the gel? Wasn't really a gel, but same brand. Okay, we ain't gonna say nothing about that. Oh, let's go to the Christmas aisle.
No.
She don't want to go to the Christmas aisle. She said I got enough stuff.
Why? You're salty.
See, mines are shorter than this. I should have got bigger ones. I do need a new Christmas rug, though. Don't you think?
Nope.
Yes, I do. Look down there and see how much they cost.
They don't have price.
Yes, they do at the bottom. You gotta pull it up.
No price.
Over there. They over there. All the way to the left. Why is it so much for the batteries, though? $8.99, $11. Alright, y'all, I'm rolling up to my favorite sushi spot, okay? So, yeah, I'm about to go inside, pick up my order.
Thank you.
Hi. I already paid over the phone. Alright, you all, I am back, and I ended up getting some hair to braid. I didn't get me anything. I ended up getting that red I was talking about, and this is just the same exact color that I put on my baby girl's hair a couple of vlogs back. I think Yes, it's 56-inch full length, okay? Same thing for this one, full length, and it's a number 1. So I think this is a little bit darker than the 1B. So we like that one. And then look what I found. A Gucci-inspired headband. Look how cute. The Jesus looking a little gankish, but we gonna still work it. It looks kind of big, though. It's pretty, though. It's all sparkly. It's really cute. I'm probably going to end up having to cut it. I feel like I might have to cut it. Like, I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Y'all, then I ended up grabbing me some bubbly, some hard bubbly collection sangria. I think I might have used this in one vlog ago. It might have been in my vlog from last year where I was basically unboxing a bunch of stuff that I bought. And of course, I always got to try some new lints. It's the Maple Limited Edition. I cannot wait to try them. Let's see if they good. I might actually pop this in my hot chocolate. What else did I get? Oh, then I got a Barefoot in Peach. Deliciously sweet. And I got some little cheap peach rings because my baby girl like peach rings. And of course, you guys, I'm definitely about to take this down. This is my favorite from Kabuki Sushi. This is my favorite. I love this one right here. It's a spicy crunch with tuna, and this one is, this will be scallop. Yes, and it has a spicy mayo. Yes, it's going down. All right, halfway through. They looking good. She wants this color. I showed you guys. I didn't show you guys this color.